Hello my beauties! It's summer in sunny New York, and since I'm from Brisbane, which is about 85% summer all year round, I thought this video would be great use for even those who are in humid countries, and especially if you're traveling to those places, you will experience sunburnt. And according to statistics online, apparently 1 in 3 adults have gotten sunburned in last year. It is not good. So today I'm going to share with you the importance of sun protection and also how to protect your skin and treat sunburns. So first, let's talk about the sun and how you get sunburnt. The sun emits these rays which contain UV rays, UVA, UVB and UVC. I have already made a video about that called How to Lighten Dark Spots and Brighten Your Skin, which I will link for you right here. Basically, in short, UVA stands for aggressive, which is one of the most that penetrates into the deepest part of your skin, and it is the one that actually causes the most damage. UVB is for burn, and that usually affects the surface layer of your skin and usually plays the biggest role in getting skin cancer, but also it changes the color of your skin. UVC is the shortest ray of them all, and although a lot of the ozone layer absorbs UVC, it is actually one of the most dangerous ones. In Australia, we have this massive hole in the ozone layer, so everyone needs to have triple block sun protection, which means it protects you from UVA, UVB, and UVC. Well, like I always say, prevention is better than cure. Always remember to slip, slop, slap. It is actually an Aussie term for all teachers that would tell us when we were kids to slip on a white shirt or cover up, slop on a hat, and then slap on sunscreen. I would probably go slap, slip, slop because you will want to put sunscreen on first before putting on clothes and then putting the hat on last. I'll probably add sunglasses as well because I think protecting your eyes is very important. Back to the topic. Sunburns occurs mostly when you don't wear sunblock or sunscreen, or the protection is either worn off either by water, sweat, or just general evaporation. As sunscreen is applied to the surface layer of your skin and it stays there, it doesn't actually get absorbed deeper down or anything like that. So it is supposed to protect the surface layer and it is applied to the top layer of your skin. So sunscreen is used to either absorb the UV rays or it actually reflects UV rays as well. So there's two purposes that sunscreen does for you. It doesn't mean because you apply sunscreen, you are 100% protected. If you know you're going out to be in the sun for a little while, you will need to have reinforcements, which means you will need to have cover-ups, you need to have a hat, you need to protect yourself, keep hydrated. I recommend wearing white or light colored clothing that will help reflect the sun's ray, and your hair also gets sunburnt. Even if you don't have hair, you have a scalp, so you make sure you have a hat, and obviously preferably something with a wider rim which covers most of your face, and of course wear long sleeves if you can because you don't want a farmer's tan. Sunburn happens in 3 stages. When you're in the sun, you feel the heat, you feel hot, and then very quickly this burning sensation on your skin, and then you feel like swollen, bloated, like red, and then after a few days you might feel the tightening, and it also might cause severe bubbling after a few days, and then it goes on to the healing stage where you start to peel off and there's smooth skin underneath, but it's like nice and raw, and then later on you go through basically the patchy and spotchy parts of your skin, and a lot of times the new skin that comes out will be actually darker or patchy. Blisters can occur 6 to 24 hours after UV exposure, and when blistering occurs, that's when the cells on the underlying dermis dies. It's pretty much like a second-degree burn. Peeling occurs when the cells die and is replaced by new cells underneath. The normal cell turnover happens in 28 days, but when you get sunburn, this cycle is accelerated and you pretty much shed like a reptile. This molting stage can last up to days, which is great because the longer you suffer, the longer you're reminded of how you should never ever walk out the sun with no protection. Now I have a series of tips I would like to share with you that you can also help ease the process. Number 1 is to cool your body down. Take a cold shower or have a green tea bath to slow down the burning process, relieve the pain and swelling. Number 2 is to go grocery shopping for the list of foods that you will need to eat and protect and save your skin. Number 3 is moisturize and don't do it again. Use moisturizers with aloe vera and or vitamin E, and always apply sunscreen or sunblock before you leave the house. Now, to aid in the healing process, there are 5 foods and tips that you should know. Number 1 is eating blueberries. It contains the highest concentration of polyphenols, which are essential in not only protecting your skin against UV radiation, it also boosts skin cellular regeneration. Number 2 is potatoes and or sweet potatoes. I mean, I love potatoes, but although I don't recommend eating a lot of it, especially if you're trying to watch a figure. However, cutting thin slices of raw potato and applying it directly onto the sunburned areas can not only ease the pain, but the starchiness of the potato seems to brighten the skin, so it would be a good treatment to prevent discoloration. If it was for consuming, I would recommend eating the sweet potatoes instead, as it's known as the edible sunscreen. Why? Because it contains all the nutrients to help protect your skin and reduce the effects of sunburns, very similar to number 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes or fresh tomato juice, not only does it contain lycopene, carotenoid, it also is full of antioxidants. By drinking a glass of tomato juice a day, you can prevent yourself from getting sunburned. But more so, it slows down the cellular damage from free radicals and the production of melanin, which are sunspots and discoloration on the skin. Number 4 is kiwi. Kiwi will not only help prevent but treat heat stroke. Kiwi also contains flavonoids and other phytonutrients that is responsible for protecting your DNA and protecting your skin from UV radiation. Number 5, last but not least, is green tea. It's super high in antioxidants. Not only should you be consuming green tea, soak your body in green tea bath. The antioxidants in the green tea will assist in the skin repairing process. You can also use the tea bags and place it in a clean plastic bag, put it in your fridge for about 4 hours, and then you can take them out to apply it directly onto the affected areas. Alright, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. And if you like this kind of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!